How to correctly compare date and time inputs with current date in JavaScript. In the world of web development, there comes a time when you need to compare date and time inputs with the current date. Whether you're building applications using .NET, ASP.NET, or simply working with JavaScript in Visual Studio, understanding how to handle date comparisons is crucial to ensuring the accuracy and reliability of your application. Here's a guide on how to effectively compare date and time inputs with the current date in JavaScript. Using JavaScript's built-in date object. One of the most straightforward ways to compare dates in JavaScript is by leveraging the built-in date object. Here's how. Get the current date and time. To compare a date input to the current date, you first need to create a date object representing the current moment. Create date objects for your inputs. You may have date inputs in various formats. Whether you're fetching them from an HTML form or an API, you'll convert those strings to date objects. Compare dates. You can now compare the date inputs with the current date using comparison operators. Comparing only dates, not time. Sometimes, you may only be interested in the date, ignoring the time. To achieve this, you can zero out the time components and compare only the dates. Considerations for time zones. When dealing with date and time, be mindful of time zones. JavaScript's date object relies on the client's local time zone, which may differ from your server's time zone or another specified zone. For applications oriented towards certain time zones or requiring more nuanced date manipulations, consider libraries like Moment.js or the built-in INTL API for more flexibility. By correctly implementing date and time comparisons in JavaScript, you ensure your application behaves predictably across various environments, making integrations with .NET or ASP.NET frameworks seamless and reliable.